Welcome to the next tutorial on electric current. This tutorial is primarily meant for questions and answers. Here I will be first discussing the questions and then you start writing the answers and then solve the numerical problems. The first part will be on questions and second part will be on numerical problems. So first I will be reading the questions and you start writing the answers on your own. Then I will be discussing the numerical problems and then you solve the numerical problems on your own. Then starting from the next video, I will be discussing the answers of those questions, and I hope by that time your answers will be ready so that you will be able to compare your answers with mine, and then you compare your answers to the numerical problems with mine to verify how much correct answers you have done. Okay, so sequence is like this: first questions and then numerical problems. So let me read the questions. First question: the law which relates the current in a conductor to the potential difference across its ends. Write the answer here. Question number 2: the unit of electrical resistance and its symbol. Question number 3: the physical quantity whose unit is ohm. Question number 4: substances having infinitely high resistance are generally called. Question number 5: keeping the resistance constant if the potential difference across the ends of a component is halved, how it will affect the current flow. Question number 6: the factors on which the strength of electric current flowing in an electric conductor depends. Question number 7: for a given material and length, which will have less electrical resistance, a thick wire or a thin wire? Question number 8: keeping the potential difference constant, if the resistance of a circuit is halved, how the current flow will change? And question number 9: what is 1 ohm? So now you write the answers to these questions, and in the next video when I will discuss the answers, you verify your answers with mine. But now I will be discussing the numerical problems. But before you start the numerical problems, I suggest you write the answers of these questions. The first numerical problem is this: a potential difference of 20 volts is applied across the ends of a resistance of 5 ohms. What current will flow through the resistance? Question number 2, numerical problem 2. A resistance of 20 ohms has a current of 2 amperes flowing in it. What potential difference is there between its ends? Problem number 3. A current of 5 amperes flows through a wire whose ends are at potential difference of 3 volts. Calculate the resistance of the wire. Problem number 4. What potential difference is needed to send a current of 6 ampere through an electrical appliance having a resistance of 40 ohms? So solve these numerical problems also, and starting from next tutorial I will be discussing the answers. So first solve the questions, write the question answer to the questions, and then solve the numerical problems. So the sequence is like this: number 1, write the answers to the questions. Now I think I have given 9 questions, and then solve the numerical problems. Starting from next tutorial I will be discussing the answers.